Over 40,000 people killed, bodies visible even from space. And here's the part no mainstream media is covering. Sudan is an actual civil war between two military groups, the Sudanese army led by General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan and a powerful paramilitary force called the Rapid Support Forces RSF led by Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo, also known as Hamidti. RSF was originally formed from the Janjaweed militia, the same group accused of ethnic cleansing in Darfur during the 2000s. They have now turned their guns on civilians, especially people from the non-Arab African tribes of Darfur. Pardon me if I am pronouncing any names or cities wrong. Right now, the worst violence is in Al-Fasher, the capital of North Darfur, a city that became a safe zone for refugees. But in the last few weeks, RSF forces surrounded it, blocked food and the medicine, and then stormed it. Entire hospitals, schools were attacked. UN officials call it genocide in progress. According to international monitors, over 40,000 people have been killed and more than 70,000 people have been displaced just from the single city. What's happening in Sudan is not just a war, it's erasure, ethnic cleansing, food blockades and burned villages, all in 2025. The world is staying silent because Sudan does not have any oil, they don't have any major big alliances with global countries, and the international media does not cover people other than white skin. This is so disappointing that the world is seeing the images of blood from skies. Really don't know what these global organizations are doing. What we can do is act as a media, spread the message across the world and share this reel till it reaches the right people out there who can take some action on it. It is the fight of power where civilians suffer the most. I am Simple Sayyed on a mission to build the most intellectual Hyderabadi community, one that stays aware of what's happening around the world.